Hi, and welcome to this episode of Strategic Solutions TV. My name is Carol Bell, and today we will be discussing the topic of how to find a great orthodontist. And we have a very special guest with us who's going to help us with this, Dr. Nancy Wiley from Coral Springs, Florida. Dr. Wiley, thank you for being with us today on our program. How are you?
Wonderful, Carol, and thank you for doing this and taking the time to be with me today. I really appreciate you and what you're doing.
Well, thank you so much. Dr. Wiley, we know that people typically start their search for an orthodontist. Many times they'll start it by looking online. They don't always know what to look for to find a great orthodontist. Can you tell us quickly a little bit about your background and getting into orthodontics?
Sure. I knew very quickly that I wanted to work with young people, and I wanted to work with making beautiful smiles and healthy smiles. So I became very passionate. I've actually devoted my life to that. So I'm so passionate about doing the most beautiful work I can and also the most healthy smiles for all my patients. But I went to Columbia University, which is considered a really awesome university, one of the Ivy Leagues, and I got my dental degree and also my orthodontic degree from Columbia. Then I set out to find a mentor who could train me because I realized that orthodontists just starting out on their own without any experience were going to be way far behind someone who had a mentor. So then I found a wonderful mentor, and he mentored me for 10 years. He was awesome. He was a board-certified orthodontist, so he encouraged me to become the best I could be, and then I went on to get my boards. So I'm a lifetime diplomat to the American Board of Orthodontists, which very few orthodontists have this day and age. I also practice what I preach. I've had braces twice. I had traditional braces, and then I had Damon, which is a frictionless brace, which I use in my practice exclusively. And I wanted to see the difference, and I wanted to have a beautiful smile. If I'm recommending that to my patients, well, I think I need to practice what I preach. So the passion went on to that. Both my husband, my daughter all had braces, have great smiles. And then on to opening up my own practice. I've been practicing in Coral Springs now for 21 years. It's hard to find that level of expertise and training and background to all culminate in what I have right now. Also, for the last 2 years, I've been voted best orthodontist in Coral Springs, which is quite an honor. And it's not just me, it's my entire team and who I have surrounding me. And that's what sets me apart. So experience, school, the fact that I went through and got my board certification is just a testimony to what I'm all about. So that would be one of the things that sets me apart. Also, I have 40 patients who are committed to becoming orthodontists because of me and my team. So I think that's quite a testimony for me.
That's amazing. So you truly are an expert in this field. And as an expert that you are with the experience that you have, tell us what you think is important for people to look for when they're looking to find a really great orthodontist. What things should they look for?
Well, first and foremost, credentials of your orthodontist you're possibly going to choose. What school did they go to? Did they have a mentor? Are they board certified? And then go to their website, check it out. How does it make you feel? What does the website say about them? Mine hopefully says passion because I tried to deliberately bring that across. But try to go and see what the website says, and then look at their online presence, see what their ratings are and health grades and all the different modalities, and then also ask word of mouth in the community. The more an orthodontist is, the longer the orthodontist is in the community, the better the word of mouth should be. So those would be some of the main things I would look for or recommend people to look for.
Good advice. All of those things I think are really important. So thank you for sharing that with us. Now, you've already shared a lot of reasons that really kind of set you apart and make your practice unique. So tell us, what kind of experience can someone expect to have when they come to see you for orthodontic treatment? What makes you a little different from other orthodontists in Coral Springs?
Well, I have a smaller boutique. I'm not this huge clinic. So we practice on individualized nurturing care. We try to nurture our patients, build self-esteem as well as beautiful smiles, and we really try to give one-on-one care and concern for each patient. So that's pretty much what sets us apart. The other thing is, most orthodontists don't look at the root cause. Why is that patient in your office in the first place? What caused the malformation that you're seeing? And so I try to address the root cause, both initially and then in future, because I want to protect this investment. It's not inexpensive. I mean, you can find orthodontists that have cheap prices and, you know, very clinic-like atmosphere with inexpensive orthodontic care, but you're going to get that. And a smile is for a lifetime. It's not where you want to be chinsing and saving money. You want to give the best for the best. So that's what I give to my patients.
That is so true. That once you have work done on your teeth, it's a lifetime thing. So you really want someone who knows what they're doing and has the experience to do it. So your practice really sounds very amazing. Dr. Wiley, I know you have a special offer that you give for new patients to come in. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. Well, of course, we have the complimentary new patient exam. We do x-rays and pictures, and then an exam, a very thorough exam, which I'm sure they're not going to get anywhere else. And then at the end of the treatment, if they mention you, Carol, we're going to give them a Jumpstart bleaching offer. It's valued at $125, but they have to mention you, and they have to finish treatment with me to get that offer.
That sounds like a great offer. So if someone wants to come in and have a consultation, what's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
The best way is to call our main number. It's 954-753-0015, or actually you can go online to www.wileysmiles.com, and they can actually sign up to get an appointment there as well. And they'll see all kinds of other different aspects that will orient them and help them when they are in braces with me.
Fantastic. Well, for all of you in the Coral Springs and surrounding areas, Dr. Wiley has had fantastic training, years of experience, and she is a wonderful orthodontist. So if you're looking for an orthodontist, whether for yourself or for your children, then I really highly encourage you to call Dr. Wiley at the number that she mentioned and it is also at her screen. Dr. Wiley, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to share this information with us. We really appreciate it.
Oh, you're a delight. Thank you. It's my pleasure.
And thank you for being with us here today, everyone. We appreciate your being here. Have a great day, everyone. We will see you next time.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.